hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a video. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make some microwave mug brownie in 1 minute. So let's get started with the recipe. Take a microwave safe mug and add in flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt and mix everything together. Then add in powdered sugar and mix the dry ingredients well. Then add in milk and then add in some oil. Mix the dry and wet ingredients to form a smooth batter. Finally, add in some vanilla extract and mix the batter well. Top it off with some chocolate chips and it's ready to be baked. Now microwave it for 1 minute at the highest power level. It may take 1 minute 5 seconds or 1 minute 10 seconds for you. Then dust it off with some powdered sugar and garnish it with some chocolate chips. And your microwave mug brownie is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you later.